Congratulations everyone on completing the tags which I have given in the previous class, and you have learned a very good new tags which we'll be using in our daily web development. So today is the last class which I will be discussing about a new HTML tags. And if you have any doubt or if you have any interest in regarding new tags, please mention below. So let's start our class. So today we'll be discussing about a new tag called emphasized text. Here, emphasized means uh, like when we give a content to it, when we try to give a content and we use the tag name called emphasized, it will work as same as italic, like I previously explained. Uh, if we want to name a content in an italic way, we will be using the tag name called element I. So like that only, we'll when we want a content to to be emphasized, we'll be using a new text called em. See, let's save it and refresh in our website. See, it will work as the same as the italic, but here it is emphasized, like it will give the importance when we give a code or when the output is given or shown in our website, than the italic text which I have previously given. The empathized text will be given more importance, and it will emphasize the text we have given or the content we have given. So let's talk about the next tags, which will be known as the mark tag. See, we have already discussed about the para, the heading, and horizontal, italic, bold. So we need a certain tag which will mark the content and highlight in our website. So to use the element which we can mark or highlight the phrase, we'll be using the element called mark. See, let's let me give a content called, and let's save it and refresh in our website. See, I have given a spelling mistake. Let's save it and refresh. See, if you have noticed, even if I make a spelling mistake or a small letter, there will be no output here. See, the content may be visible, but but the importance or the meaning for the tag called mark is to highlight the sentence. Here, see, there is no highlight here. Important tech all for the future. So there is no any stylish headings or anything. So we have to be very cautious when using the tags. Even if there is a one letter or one comma or one full stop a mistake, there will be appear like they may appear, but it has no use. So see, I have now corrected the mistake. Now let's see the result. Refresh the page. See, now it has highlighted the praise which I have given. So this is the uh, define which this is the tag. So this is the tag which I have given called mark is used to mark the praise. So these are all the HTML elements tags which I will be explaining. And if you have any doubts, please comment below. And for the next class, we'll be starting the CSS. And yes, the HTML and CSS also come under the front end development. So let's see you on next class.